Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2007 Honda VFR800 Interceptor. This is Honda's full-size sport touring motorcycle. This bike has a 781cc V4 fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. This bike has 25,870 miles on the odometer. This bike is the 25th anniversary model. Red, white, blue model, very attractive. This is the non-ABS version. Has new Michelin tires, front and rear. V4 engine, very powerful, very smooth, very reliable, single side swing arm. This bike comes with a GIVI top case that's not installed. Has some nice accessories. Sergeant seat. Very clean and priced at $49.95 with finance options available. Stop on by at Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach it at 408-730-0600.